Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you the importance of having the customer account deletion feature on Shopify. We will discuss the legal requirements and a solution for this issue. So as you might know, Shopify doesn't include customer account deletions by default. So it means that if a customer wants to delete his account, he can do this out of the box. And he need to contact the store owners, and this issue creates compliance issues with regulators and add a lot of manual processing and extra work for you and your team. So let's start about the legal requirements. So why this is required? So in the GDPR, this is the European regulation, the CCPA in the US. Some countries have a very specific one, like the PDPL in Saudi Arabia, and almost any country you are selling in have this requirements. So this says that the customer need to have the ability and the option to delete his account whenever he need. And also, the fourth one is the App Store. So if you decide to have an application for your website, for your store, Apple and Google requires you to have this option as well. And your app won't be processing and you won't be accepted in the store until you activate it. So the consequences, of course, you have a lot of fines if you don't comply, and if you are deciding to have an app in the store, your application will be rejected. And the solutions, which is why we are doing this video, we have three options. We have using a contact form, we have using an email to be sent to the owner, and the third one, which using automated apps. Let's start with the contact form. Let's talk about it. So basically you add a page called delete my account in your store. You need a developer to set it up for you if you are not technical. And customers will go to this page, fill a form, and then you will receive it, you will process it, and the problem with this one is it doesn't comply fully with the requirements because it's not an easy deletion. It adds a manual work for you. The customers need to wait until you process it, and it increases the support time, etc. The second option, which is also not really interesting, it's like you can add in your FAQ or somewhere in your website mentioning that if you want to delete your account, please send us an email at info@yourstore.com. This is also not compliant fully to the regulations. It has more manual work either for you or your customer, and you can miss requests. They might send it over the weekend, you are not there, so this raises a lot of concerns. Which leads us to the third one, which is using automated apps. So these are Shopify apps that can have a self-service feature, like it's fully compliant with the regulations. It has zero manual work after you do the setup the first time. The customer will have the option to request their account deletion, and it will be processed automatically with the apps. And it works with all the Shopify stores, and you can access it very easily. So just to sum up, among the three options, the best one is to use an automated app. It comply with the regulation, remove the manual work. The setup time is like you do it the first time in that set, and there is no ongoing maintenance needed from your side. So that's why we recommend using an application that is compliant and help your customer ask for their account deletion. So yeah, we suggest using an app called Bayanatify, which is the best one in the Shopify store. and we will give you a step-by-step instruction guide. So the app, it has three main options you can choose from depending on your store. So let's say you have a new customer account set up, you will choose the method 1. If you have a legacy and a modern theme, you will choose the second. If you have a legacy option and you have an old theme, you can use the third one. We will show you exactly how this looks like. So basically this is how the app look like. Once you click, you go to install, and you follow the normal procedure of installing a Shopify app. The app has 3 days free trial, so you can test it before you will be charged. And of course, you can cancel during this free trial without having to pay anything. So once you finish the installation, you will see the app like this. So this is the interface. This is a dashboard with all the requests going on in your store. If you just install it, you will see it as 0. The first thing to do is to go to settings. So the settings, here you can define the grace period. So the grace period is a time period you can define for before the accounts are really deleted. So let's say if you set it to 0 in a client ask his account to be deleted, it will be deleted immediately, and it can cause some harm if he didn't want to do it actually. So it's safe to set it to 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 8 hours, depending on your store policies. And once this once this time is consumed, the account will be deleted. And at the same time, the client has the option to cancel his request. So if he don't need his account to be deleted anymore, he can just click cancel and nothing will happen. So make sure to go first to the settings to change the grace period, and then let's install it. So here on the buttons you will see installation guide. It's a very important one to start with. In here we have all the options that we have discussed. So depending on your store setup, you may choose one of these. The first two, the new account and the legacy customer account, are easy to use. You can do it on yourself. There is some videos you can follow explain exactly how you can do it. And there is a third one. This one is for the old themes. This is not for everyone, but if you have a really old theme and you're using a legacy customer account type, you might do this manual installation, and it involves copying a code, installing it. It might be difficult for non-technical founders or the people who doesn't have developers with them. So in this case, you can ask for their support. So the app offer free installation service. You can click here to go to their website and ask for installation, or you can just ask for the installation from the live chat here. So basically you will go to this page, fill in your name, your email. The app is pre-selected, and you input your query. This service is free, and they will help you install it. So you need to input your store URL and add the collaborator request code. If your store have it, you can find it from admin settings, user and security, and you can paste it here and send the request. This was it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will be happy to share with you. And I will add the links of the app in the description as well. Thank you for watching.